did. Yep, we broke the arm right off. Oh man, we're gonna have to fix that up. Alright guys, that's gonna have to end the video. We snagged some sort of underground utility pipe, but I want to show you guys the temps of the motor. I believe I'm running a 2030 on this. We definitely toasted the drag link. I can see that right now. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys the damage. So we got these fans blowing on there. It's cooled down a couple degrees for sure. Not bad. And then the ESC, we're reading, it is pretty hot today. It's about 80. Look at, we broke the drag link. Everything else is good. Definitely gonna have to fix that. Doesn't even look like it broke, it just pulled out. So guys, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Hit that bell button, and I will catch you guys later. Whoosh.